Hello everyone. Welcome to mywordbook.com. In today's video, I have a new word for you. Let's find out what it means and how you can use it on daily conversation. Utilitarian. It is an adjective. Basically, utilitarian means made to be useful rather than decorative. Let's take few examples of utilitarian.
Example 1.
His office is very utilitarian in style, with no decoration.
Example 2.
Like many factories, it's a very ugly utilitarian building.
Example 3.
Bruce's office is a corner one, utilitarian and unglamorous.
Example 4.
Sometimes, woman-centered theory is given a utilitarian justification.
Example 5.
It was James Mill who was the best publicist for utilitarian ideas on government. That is the end of today's video. Kindly share your suggestions on comment box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.